Hello everyone. In CA Foundation, we are going to see the problem in compound interest. There is a type of question like the rate of interest will be given and we have to find in how many years the given sum will become doubled. Sometimes they will ask like in how many years the given sum will become tripled at a given rate of interest. So for those type of question, we have a set of rules like rule of 72 and rule of 114 and rule of 144. In case of doubled, we use rule of 72. In case of tripled, we use the rule of 114. In case of 4 times, we use the rule of 114. What we are going to do is simply we are going to divide the rule number by the rate of interest that is given in the question. Very simple, right? So for an example, in how many years will the sum become doubled at a rate of 5% per annum in a compound interest? So remember that we use these 3 formulas in only compound interest, not in the simple interest problems. So here we can see that this comes under the doubled case, right? So which rule we are going to use? Right, the rule of 72, right? So we are going to divide the rule number divided by the rate of interest, that is 5%. So what will be the answer? If we cancel it, means 14.4, right? 14.4. So in 14.4 years the given sum will become double at a rate of 5% per annum. So similarly, I am giving you a question like in how many years will the sum become 4 times at a rate of 6% per annum in a compound interest? Kindly give your answers in the comments. Thank you.